hit a bit low, but the batter has his eyes on the ball. So he waits for the ball and plays that one on the onside for a single. Gets to the other 57 for 1, and now Javed Chana is going to take strike, who is playing 15 of 15 balls. Run a ball, strike rate of 100, while as Sohail Mir has that strike rate of less than 100 runs at the moment. And now at the moment he is well set to the crease. Surely he will go after the ballers. He will try to get some quick runs. The next ball hits that one in the air, clears the infield. The fielder from deep extra cover goes and stops the ball. A slight fumble again that allows the batters to get one more onto that. Two more runs have been added. Takes the score to 59 for 1 after 9.2 overs. Javed Chana, we've seen that he's constantly trying to be aggressive. He's constantly trying to bat with positive intent. He's trying hard to get quick runs to up the ante. Right now they're going at 6 and just 6 shade over 6 runs per over. As Irshad once again goes to Javed. This time it was a good delivery, just a back off on the ball and in that channel outside the off stump. And the batter there waits for the ball, doesn't show any eagerness, doesn't show any rush, and pushes that one back past the bowler. He goes and stops the ball. There is intent opportunity to take that single. So a dot delivery nonetheless. 1.3 overs, none for 7. Bowlers have been economical so far. They have stopped the run flow. Runs are not coming quite easily as Irshad once again goes to Javed. He's trying to work that one on the onside. Hits him on the body. You have to wait for the signal of the umpire. Signal is that one a leg by. Additional run takes the score to 60 for 1. We're at the halfway stage. The 10th over of the first innings. It was Gausia who won the toss and decided to bat first against Mazbul. An all-important game of 6th edition of Varmul Cup. Watch again Irshad for the 5th time, and on strike is Sohail. He's well set to the crease. What will be the mindset of Sohail? How will he go? This time he goes up the back foot. Again a fumble this time allows the batters to come back for 2, and that's the value of those singles. You need to stop those singles, right? It has been only when you're giving 2 runs at the end, at the backstage of the game, at the death. It always hurts you. Those in a cricket game, those singles are valuable. The singles have that value where you are giving easily those doublers, where it could have been only a single. So that score moves to 62 for 1. Final ball of the 10th over as Irshad is getting ready to bowl. Right arm over, he is bowling from the com box in for the final time. Wraps him on the pad, but this clearly was going down the leg side. It pitched outside leg as well, and the leg buys is the signal by the umpire. So 10 overs gone. After 10 overs, they're going 63. That means 6.30 runs per over. Not to that healthy run rate, we must say, in terms of the game in a T20 game. First 10 over 63. But the good thing is that there are wickets in hand. There are wickets back in the dugout. Just 1 wicket lost so far. So keeping wickets in hand at the back stage of the game, as Mudassir mentioned, those 5 overs will attribute a lot of runs if we keep wickets in hand. But right now, batting sensibly, these two batters at the halfway stage, 63 for 1. हाँ वो नहीं है यहाँ पे। ना मैं करता हूँ अभी फोन पर
तो कोशिश करेंगे कि इससे बेहतर थोड़ा सा अगर हो पाए आप तक व्यू पहुंचे। फिलहाल के लिए 11 ओवर 72 पे एक खिलाड़ी आउट होकर वापस गए। जवेद चन्ना जिनकी अगर बात करें 20 गेंदों से 18 रन बनाकर नाबाद, और सोहेल की अगर बात करें 16 गेंदों से अब तक 36 गेंदों से 35 रन की पारी। रनर बॉल मुकाबला है। और मुनीर भट्ट वालेकुम सलाम, आपका भी शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वर्ल्ड कप 2024 का दिन का ये पहला मुकाबला और कुल मिलाकर ये 15वां मुकाबला लेकर आज हम आपके साथ जुड़े हैं जनरल बिपिन रावत स्टेडियम बारामूला से, जहाँ पे इस समय ये मुकाबला जारी है। और सोहेल मीर की अगर बात करें अब तक अच्छी रणनीति अपनाई है। रन बॉल मुकाबला, लेकिन 9 विकेट अभी भी हाथ में है फिरदौस। तो ऐसा मेरा मानना है कि अभी भी 9 विकेट है, यहाँ से अब जाकर हाथ खोलने होंगे, क्योंकि अभी भी अगर बात करें 9 ओवर्स का आना बाकी, 54 गेंदे बचे। 54 गेंदों से कहीं ना कहीं और 80-90 रन जोड़ने की कोशिश करनी होगी।
So they need to do so as they are kept wickets in hand and both the batters are well set at the crease. You can see they're going at least run a ball. Suhail Mir 35 of 36 and Javed 19 of 20. A start of the fresh or first ball of the 12th over, and he has been cleaned up. He's knocked him over this time. Was trying to play across the line, was trying to work the ball on the onside, but there wasn't that enough bounce of the ball. He misses the line of the ball and the ball crashed.